The battery on the Amazfit Active Max just doesn't die. It's been 13 days, you can see here on the app, since I've charged my watch. And this is with always on mode turned on. It has one of the brightest always on modes in its segment. Just love it. You can also download offline maps directly on your watch and track your current location during your workout. Hi there! Here is the newly launched Amazfit Active Max. And it packs in so much that it's hard to fathom. Brace yourself. 25 days of battery life, a huge AMOLED display, the brightest always-on mode, 170 plus sports modes, you get built-in storage on board, then there's Bluetooth phone calling feature, built-in GPS with offline map support, so now you can track your outdoor workouts more accurately. The Amazfit Active Max boasts a premium design, built, and comes loaded with top-tier features. It's priced at $15,999. So, is it worth it? Well, actually, I've been using this watch for over a month, and of course, it does have its downsides too. Now, if you're guessing where did I get the red strap from, the Amazfit Balance 2, which also I was using, came with a red strap in the box, and it has the same 22mm strap configuration. So I replaced these straps. If you want this red strap, you can buy it from the Amazfit website. Now, in this video, we'll share what's good, what's not, so you can ultimately decide if you should buy the Amazfit Active Max or not. Let's start with a quick unboxing. So here is the retail packaging. You can see the image of the watch right here. On the side, you can see the image of the watch from the side. Towards the back, you can see some manufacturing details and the MRP of $31,999. You get the Zepp app for both Android as well as for iOS. You can see this is the black color. So without further ado, let's quickly open it up. So unlike most boxes, you need a knife. Here, you just peel. So right on the top, we have some paperwork. This is basically a user manual and setup guide. Then we have the body of the Amazfit Active Max. Then we have a charging puck. You can spot the Amazfit branding here, charging terminals on the top. On the side here, you can see there's a USB-C port. This is basically where you plug in your USB cable. And here's the watch. It basically auto-aligns and magnetically attaches behind the watch. Once connected, the magnets are pretty strong, so they won't snap off easily. And further down below, we have the straps. Alright, let's have a closer look at the watch. First thing is we'll get rid of the screen protector. Oh wow, that looks very eye-catchy. Firstly, I think it looks like a tank. It's because of that black color and that new design. Very, very cool. By the way, the top frame is made of aluminum alloy, which gives it a very premium touch. Also, matte finish, doesn't attract any fingerprint or smudges. On the side here, you can spot there are two buttons, one on the top, one at the bottom. There are a couple of microphones here, which are going to assist you for phone calls. The thickness of the watch is 12.2 mm, slightly thicker than most Amazfit watches, and that's because of the bigger battery. However, the weight is still just 39.5 grams, which is really, really good, considering the watch comes with a bigger battery. Very well built. The straps come with this nice silicone touch, very nice Amazfit branding here. You get a buckle design. Buckle kind of matches with the frame, which looks even better. Quality of the straps is really good. Breathable straps because of that air gap in between. Moving towards the back. So the back is made of polymer, also very well built. In the center is the heart rate sensor, SpO2 sensor, charging terminals up here. If you look closely, you can also spot the speaker here, which is going to assist you for phone calls. The straps, as I showed you earlier, come with this hook mechanism, so you can remove and replace them as you wish. Also, I really like this touch of the design. Very, very cool. Overall, the watch is really, really well built. The Amazfit Active Max comes with 5 ATM rating, which means it can withstand pressure equivalent to 50 meters. So it's safe to wear for a workout in the rain, in the shower, in the pool. And yes, it also comes with 4 swim tracking workout options as well. Now, once you're done with your swim, go to the quick settings and drain the excess water from the watch speaker. So cool. Now, another thing which is very important, a lot of you people watch my videos. Thank you for that. But most of you have not yet subscribed to my channel. So do that right now. I'm waiting. I hope you're done. Let's move further. Alright, let's have a closer look at the display. So we have a 1.5-inch AMOLED display with a resolution of 480 by 480 pixels. Now, since this is such a high resolution display, even the smallest text and detail on the screen is so clearly readable. Check that out. And of course, because it's an AMOLED display, color reproduction is vibrant, pitch perfect deep blacks as well. Amazing. Now, the other thing you need to know is that the front screen comes with strengthened glass protection and not exactly sapphire like we have seen on the Balance 2 and some more other premium smartwatches. But I think it's fine. Still, it's anti-reflective, so it won't attract any fingerprint or smudges. When it comes to the bezels, well, they're not exactly thin, but little more noticeable, especially noticeable when you have a watch face with a
colored background. Like here now, you can see that the bezels are more noticeable. However, if you choose a watch face that has black on the sides, it kind of blends in and looks so seamless. By the way, the another thing that I want to mention is that the Active Max comes with 3 new watch faces and they're interactable. This one, and this one. Now if you select this, if you come into edit here, you can actually change the battery to whatever you want, to date. Similarly, you can come into this one, you can change to whatever you want. I want to change this to altitude. Come into the third one, I can change that to weather. So similarly, you can adjust the watch face as per your preference, and I think that looks really nice. Apart from that, there are about 7 to 8 watch faces that come pre-installed, and you can download more from the companion app.
When it comes to the brightness, Amazfit claims jaw-dropping 3000 nits of peak brightness, and it looks so clear. Yes, you can easily see the display even on a bright sunny day.
Alright, let's talk about the interface. Now the first thing that instantly grabs my attention is the ultra smooth 60Hz refresh rate. Amazfit really knows to optimize the software, and this time too it's buttery smooth. The thing that I miss the most is this time that there's no crown here. So usually I would have a crown here which makes navigating a little more easier. However, it's still very smooth, but that's one thing I miss. But again, that would be nitpicking. Then we can tap on the screen to turn the display off. That can come really handy. Now instead of diving through the interface that we have done previously in our reviews, we'll talk about only the important stuff. So as we go into the settings here, our everyone's favorite always on display, because that's something the Amazfit Active Max aces it. So of course, once you turn it on, it will give you a reminder that battery will drain quicker, which is something we all know. Now always on mode has an option where it follows the watch face. Then when you come to style selection here, you have some presets. Now previously we had only 4 or 5 always on watch faces. This time the collection has got a lot bigger. You have this, you have analog. This one also really looks very nice. I'll just show you how this looks. Amazing, very classy and clean. Then of course you have the digital one, you have some analog watch faces as well. There you go. And this one too is really nice. It has all the details, but my favorite one has to be follow the watch face, and it's this one. And it's actually one of the brightest always on watch faces I've seen, with so little battery drain. You can see the time, you can see your heart rate, you can see your sleep monitoring, you can see the battery, you can see your HRV. Every detail is available on the always on watch face, and it's so clear. That's the best part. Now another thing I want to talk about is offline map support on this watch, and as you come in here, it will ask you to go to your companion app to download the resources. So we come to the Zepp companion app, come to devices, come below here, map management, and once you select your map, click download. And now here on the watch, you can see that the map is downloading. Now, when you go into the menu and go into apps here, it will show you that you have to position yourself outdoors, and then the map will recognize where exactly you are. So when it comes to music, there are actually 2 apps here. One is music, one is audio control. And when you come into audio control here, you can control the music that's playing on your phone. So you can pause play the music, you can change tracks, you can adjust the volume, everything right from the watch itself. I think it's very handy. Now the other thing that's really cool is the music app, as the watch comes with 4 GB internal storage, so you can actually save music on the watch itself. And you can listen to the music using just your watch speaker. Check that out. It's so loud and clear. Now I know not a lot of people want to listen to the music on the watch speaker. They want to connect earphones with it. Don't worry, we've got you covered here. There's actually Bluetooth audio support where you can connect Bluetooth earphones with the watch itself. There it is. Click and paired. There you go. So now you can listen to the music that's saved on your watch on your Bluetooth earphones. Apart from that, the watch comes fully stocked when it comes to health monitoring, when it comes to workout tracking. Everything that you need is here. Menstrual cycle tracking, thermometer, stopwatch, timer, Pomodoro timer, voice notes, compass, barometer, jet lag manager, meditation app, and so much more. Everything that you need is here. Alright, let's talk about phone calling. So Amazfit has 2 options. One is where you receive an incoming call, you get a vibration alert, you can see the caller's name and an option to reject or silent the incoming call. You cannot answer it. Now the other way is you can see the caller's name, you can reject the call, you can silent it or answer and talk using the built-in mics and speakers. Now option 1 is way more battery friendly compared to option 2 where you can talk from your watch. Now you can select this preference from the companion app. Similarly, you can also make phone calls from this watch. Go to the phone calling app. I'm just going to the dial pad and dial a random number. There you go. The speaker, I must say, gets quite loud and is very clear. Once you're done talking, you can hang up directly from here.
Talking about the calling experience. Well, the audio in this watch is very clear and can be used both indoors as well as outdoors. The opposite person had no clue I was using my watch to talk to him. The mics do a really good job at isolating the sound around you. Good job in the calling department. Alright, let's talk about the fit and comfort. So the silicone straps are really light and soft, provide an excellent grip on your wrist. Now, even though the Active Max is slightly thicker than most watches, it's actually very comfortable and stylish. It doesn't feel heavy or bulky. I've been wearing this watch all day and even at night to track my sleep. Very comfortable. The readings are accurate and you can see them in detail on the watch itself. Coming to health tracking. Well, one of the most standout features for me is one-tap measuring. It runs a series of tests for about 45 seconds and provides you 4 health parameter readings in one go. There's heart rate, there's stress tracking, there's SpO2 and breathe rate. This is so convenient. However, I always say, use these health parameter readings just for your reference and not for medical purposes. Coming to fitness and workouts. So the Amazfit Active Max comes with 170 plus workout modes, and to quickly access it, press the button at the bottom here. Right on the top you can see outdoor running, you can see walking, high rocks race, high rocks training, strength training, then you have free training, outdoor cycling, elliptical, row training, treadmill, track, hiking, pool swimming. Yes, it also comes with swimming support. Then you have snowboarding, more workouts. Now as you come in here, it's divided into categories, like you have running and walking, then you have cycling, you have 4 swimming workouts. You can see there's pool swimming, there's open water swimming, there's fin swimming, there's artistic swimming. Similarly, down here there are outdoor workouts. You have climbing, hiking, rock climbing, fishing, hunting, skateboarding, roller coaster, and there are so many more. Indoor workouts, dance workouts, combat workouts, ball workouts, water workouts, my god, leisure workouts, board games and others. So there is a huge collection of workouts that you can find here. The Amazfit Active Max also comes with built-in GPS and offline map support. We use the watch for a quick outdoor workout. Firstly, it gets a fix on the GPS in just a couple of seconds. Plus, you can see a live map of your location during your workout. It's super convenient, especially when you're going on a trek. You have the exact path you walked, like a trail with you all the time. This is going to be so handy. Now, after you finished your workout, you can see all your workout parameters in so much detail right on the watch itself. If you're a true fitness enthusiast, I can easily recommend the Amazfit Active Max. Coming to the battery. So the Amazfit Active Max comes with a huge 658 mAh battery, and Amazfit claims that it will last you for about 25 days with typical use. But let's talk practical use. So it's been 13 days, you can see here on the app, since I last charged the watch. And this is with always on mode turned on with GPS workout tracking. I think this is absolutely unbelievable. For those who don't use always on display, you would easily get about 18 to 20 days of battery life. I mean, you can't ask for more. You know, earlier when I was wearing my Apple Watch, I would travel with my charger even when I had to go for one day. Now, ever since I'm wearing the Active Max, I need to charge it after 15 days. I'm more worried if I'm going to lose my charger because I need it after so many days. Amazfit Active has nailed it in the battery department. Let's have a quick look at the Zepp companion app. So right here on the home page, you can see your health and workout related data. You have your biocharge, then you have more details about it. Then you have your sleep tracking. Clearly I'm not sleeping well, it says pay attention. But if you go back here, it shows you more details about your sleep. There you go. So some days are good, some days are not, and there is so much more detail that you can find here. REM, sleep duration, light sleep, sleep duration, regularity, everything, your breathing, everything. Then there's exertion here, with how much exertion you're doing, your average heart rate, all those details can be found here. Now, if you come into workouts here, you can actually see all your workouts that you've been doing. All those details can be found here. You can in fact even start workouts directly from the app. If you come into devices here, you can see the device is paired. You can see the battery percentage. Then when you come in here, there are watch faces that you can download. Tons of analog and digital watch faces that you can download. And there are some new ones as well for the Active Max, which are really cool. Like you can spot this Christmas watch face, which I think will look really nice. Let's sync it and see. And there you go. So this is sort of like an animated watch face as well. The tree is rotating. You can see the snowflakes. I think this is really cool. Then coming back here, there is an app store for the watch itself. Yes, there are tons of apps that you can download. Then of course you have your feature checklist, Bluetooth calls and all. You have your notifications, heart rate alerts. Then you have notifications and reminders. Then you have your list. Then you have your shortcut cards, training, membership card, phone,
Music, this is from where you're going to save music on the watch, weather app, alarms, calendar, to-do list, world clock, voice memo, jet lag manager, map management, and more. Find devices and so much more. And one more thing I'd like to mention is that you can share your data from Strava, Google Fit, everything will work with the Amazfit Active Max. So that's really cool. Overall, the app is really fun and simple to use.
Alright, final thoughts. Now, me being a fan of Amazfit watches, it's sometimes easy to ignore the cons. I'll mention some, they might be nitpicking, but let's go. So I would have loved to see a display with slimmer bezels, though these aren't exactly thick, but still safe. Then I would like if they included a leather strap or a bright color strap along with this watch. That would be good. Also, the Active Max doesn't have a rotating crown. That would have made navigating a lot easier. But the good thing is that the pros on this watch far outweigh the cons. It takes everything that you need in a smartwatch. It's fully stock, I would love to say. Comes with good looks, sturdy design, tons of features, super reliable tracking, and if you want a watch with a battery that just isn't willing to die, go for the Amazfit Active Max without even blinking. The watch is already on sale for $15,999 and you can buy it from Amazon or the Amazfit website. I'll share the links below in the description. If you'd like to buy one, you should definitely check this one out. So I hope this video was helpful. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Until next time, cheers.